And Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Paul Espargaro. He was 10th on the grid. He started on the Suzuki. Happy They're trying to get that bike out. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one. Then as they
Marc Marquez now has
well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one.
Close. Will we have a new 2050?
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to defend of this one. Then as they now head around,
which is the air. He's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few. Ducati to the high side, down he went, one of the factory Ducatis, clattered in believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now on the
It's at Dovizioso! A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Marc Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Marc Marquez now has
red flag.
Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has given Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Is that Dovizioso? I think it is! Marc Marquez now has
down the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
And Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the